Now is that we have a question that is asking to find the value for r and theta. The importance, what we usually actually see is r and theta are given, and the question usually asks us to find the arc length and the sector area. Again, writing down the rules is very important in this topic actually. So basically, what you have always to do is to refer back to your formula booklet or to memorize the rules, and it will come with practice actually, and write them down whenever you have such questions. Remember that writing the rules is important, and that if you write them correctly and properly, you have almost done the question and solved it. See how we can solve this. Basically, the question is asking us to find the value of r and theta. However, the value of the area of a sector area is given, and the arc length is given. That's why I have written them here, and I will be using them down. So let's just replace. Let's play the puzzle again. So arc length, the rule of the arc length, we write it as is actually. Arc length, the rule was theta over r, sorry, theta r, which is given. Which part of this? Let's play the puzzle. Is theta given? No, it's asking me to find it. Is r given? No, it's asking me to find it. So basically, I will replace the arc length of what for what is given here. So basically, this one is 2 over 3 pi is equal to theta r. Okay, now that we have two unknown values, so basically, because we have two unknown values in math, we need two equations. It's always the number of unknown values. For the number of unknown, specific number of unknown values, you need specific number of equations. So if you have one unknown, you need one equation. If you have two unknowns, you have two equations. Three variables or unknown, you have to find three equations, and so on. So basically, I've used the first one, the arc length, to find the first equation. Now I need another equation. My other equation will be using the sector area because it's given. Again, we always refer back to the information given in the question and use them. They are the help for us to find the values needed. So basically, the area of a sector or sector area, the rule of the sector area, as we can see here, it's theta over 2 r squared. Basically, is the sector area given? Ask yourself, yes, it's given. It's 4 over 3 pi. So basically 4 over 3 pi. Again, I'm playing the puzzle. I'm removing the sector area. I will find 4 over 3 pi as given from the question. Theta over 2r squared. Now I will put this in a box. So basically now I have two simple equations that we can solve simultaneously. Basically, solving simultaneous equations, if the equations are linear, you can use substitution or elimination. However, because one of the equations is quadratic or raised to the power of 2, so basically you can use substitution or you can divide one equation by the other. You choose which method you want to do actually, and which one is better for you. What I will be doing is dividing the one that has a square over the one that doesn't have square. So basically this one is 4 over 3 pi is equal to theta over 2r squared, and the other one is 2 over 3 pi is equal to theta r. Okay, I will divide equation number 1 over equation number 2. I reordered the arc length and the sector area. So basically when you divide these, the 3 will be cancelled, the pi will be cancelled with the pi, and theta will be cancelled with theta. One of the r's will be cancelled with the r squared. So basically let's see what will remain here actually. What will remain is 4 divided by 2 is 2, which equals to r. This one is eliminated to 1 actually because theta r is eliminated from each one. This will become r over 2. So r over 2 is equal to 2. Now you can multiply both sides by 2, both sides by 2. So r equals 4. We have now found the value of r, and we can replace in any of the equations given here to find theta. I will choose the equation of the arc length because r is not squared, so basically it might be easier for me, but however you can substitute in any equation. In equation 1, I will choose equation 1, you can substitute in equation 2 as well. So basically 2 over 3 pi is equal to theta is unknown times 4. So to keep theta alone, what I have to do is to divide by 4 and divide the whole equation by 4. So this one will become 2 over 12 pi, which can be simplified equal to theta, which can be simplified to pi over 6 is equal to theta. So by doing this, I have now found both values actually for r and theta. Showing the steps will give you some points actually. However, if you are showing that you have divided here, and you will gain extra points.